let's say that I have a floor here like this that was modified. So I need to find my average thickness. I can do this in the floor schedule, that I would use other parameters. And here I would use mark. So we will know which floor it is because I put a number 1 in mark of this floor. Then I would use volume and area of the floor. And I would use calculated parameter, which will calculate the average thickness of this floor from the volume and from area. So I need to put here length, and then I can go volume divided by area, and I will get average thickness in millimeters. So now, if you look at this, you can see that this is my floor with mark 1, and you can see that it calculated that it has average thickness of 350 millimeters. So that's how you can actually get this information from your model.